So day 3 is alignment. We did cover one of these exercises yesterday, the first position against the wall. Again, this is like my go-to for beginners. Getting used to walking up against the wall this way around is going to be much more beneficial. The other way around is teaching you to always arch the back. We want to try and get rid of that cheeky banana back. So what we're going to do is we're walking up against the wall, and I'm going to give you like a little bit of a body checklist, and I'm going to give you an extra cue. So for those that are really comfortable against the wall, I'm going to give you an extra cue that's really going to help with getting perfect handstand alignment. So again, shoulders on top of the wrists, making sure that my ears super glued to my shoulders and I'm not really poking my head forward. Again, walking up against the wall, nice and chill. I want to go hands as close to the wall as I feel comfortable. My hands are shoulder width apart and my index fingers facing forwards. And really think about pushing the floor away from me. Again, guys, so we're not relaxing the belly, relaxing the ribs. I also don't want my head poking forwards. I want my ears super glued to my shoulders, so I'm pushing the floor away from me. Okay, so I'm going to add in this extra cue for those that are pretty comfortable. I don't know how well you can see this, but hopefully you can see a little. This is what I call like my straight handstand, but it's my straight lazy handstand. So what I want to do is I want to think about my sternum coming in and my hips towards the wall. And again, relax, straight lazy handstand. And again, sternum in, hips towards the wall. And then coming out to the side.